Back again with Carol
and Debbie.
We always look forward to Thanksgiving, all the wonderful, delicious foods and wines and desserts. And now we've got a few more pounds packed on, or I know I do. So let's all get out there and swing the clubs, the tennis racket.
Yep.
I'll be paddling to get rid of that. Wanted to give a special thanks to all of our friends, clients, families that came out. We had a tremendous turnout for Pie Day. We gave out over 175
That's a lot.
pies. So I know we're going to be posting some photos of that. We've got some videos, but what a great success.
I know. I got thank yous throughout the whole weekend on how delicious the pies were.
I know. And
I know my people really enjoyed them.
And then December is an action-packed month, and even for us, we have another event, so we'll be watching for those announcements. It is a cookie exchange event that we'll be having at our event center, and that's going to be lots of fun.
Yummy.
I love
Again,
doing those.
You talk about us losing weight. Now we're getting
I
cookies.
know, cookies, cookie
Pies,
and wine,
cookies.
you know. And then December will be our annual food drive. We'll be dropping off bags on that Thursday and Friday, December 8th and 9th. Be watching for those. So we'll be dropping off totes to your front door and inside of that will be a flyer with information on the logistics on the items that the food bank is really in need of as we clean out our pantries and give to those that are needy. We'll be dropping those off at your home, and then that following week we'll have totes, or we'll have the barrels at the clubhouse where you'll be making your little deliveries. And last year I know we had a tremendous turnout, one of the best for the county.
It was.
And I think we had 3 different pickups, so make sure that you get involved in this. It's such a great cause.
Well, let me interject there too. Like, it's so widespread needy this year for many reasons. Hurricane Ian's effect in our local communities have really made a tremendous impact on these families in needing. The surrounding areas have really been impacted from the hurricane. Also, we don't want to forget the elderly.
No.
She had mentioned to Carol and I that they are really in need this year. And also the recessional effects on our families have also contributed to this widespread need this year more than ever.
Right. So a lot going on. I know we have a lot going on at the clubhouse, but December is the month of festivities, and the clubhouse has a action-packed calendar.
It does, more than ever. It's like I looked at the monthly experiences, which we will post again for you on this email, on this blog. And we'd like to say that today is December 1st, and those events start immediately. And then tomorrow night is holiday time prime rib night.
Ooh.
Tomorrow, Friday, December 2nd at 6 p.m., we'll have live music with Circleback Band. I was just telling Carol earlier today that I heard from my friends that this band is phenomenal, and I haven't heard them yet. I may just step on in and hear some of that great music. And also, along with the prime rib night, Friday, December 2nd at 6 p.m., it will have live music. And guess what else?
What?
The ugly, infamous sweater contest is back.
And I think I just gave mine to Goodwill.
There are so many ugly, beautiful, adorable light up sweaters that I've seen. So anyway, that will be happening the same night at the prime rib night. So wear your best ugly sweater. There'll be prizes and giveaways, and join in the fun with this contest and enjoy this delicious menu and RSVP today. So also we need to talk about a little bit of real estate here while we're having so much fun.
We do. So coming soon. We love to tell you what's coming soon. A lot of times we have offers on those before they even hit the market. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful kitchen, white cabinetries, quartz countertops, pool, spa, preserve view. The home also comes turnkey furnished. Furnishings are only 2 years old, and the current owners have barely used this home, so it is move-in ready with beautiful furnishings. This one will not last. So, and we also have another one coming soon, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath den, new construction in the links. So when you have family and friends that are coming in, give us a call. We can show those houses to you before they even come on the market. Holidays is always a great time to shop.
Well, season's kicking off. I know that I ran into one of my snowbird, Canadian snowbird neighbors this morning while walking Toby. So they're coming back, and believe me, it's cold.
It's cold.
And Florida is beautiful.
It is. And then you had one to talk about?
Well, I just wanted to mention one that we have on the market, 5112 97th Street East. We have a 2420 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, with a western exposure water view, enjoying those beautiful sunsets. It's got a chef's dream kitchen with a cafe eat-in space, an in-ground spa, and new AC, a magnificent home. You really need to see it. So put that on your list with the ones that we have coming up to come see. Give us a call.
That's right. So again, while you have people visiting, you just want to see what's on the market, you're thinking about selling, you're thinking about buying, thinking of us, we are your go-to realtors for Rosedale. And until then, see you later, alligators.
After a while, crocodiles.